Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Delia C. Happy Sunday, guys. It is 12 o'clock. It's 12:02. 12:02, and I just finished eating my breakfast, which is really good. Trinidadian people call it floaters. It's like a light, airy bake, so I really like it. I did my skincare. What else? I need to get up and wash the dishes. I'm gonna attempt to make roti today. I feel for some roti, so I'm like, why not make it? The good thing, my roti dough is already prepared, so that will be easier for me to maneuver. Fingers crossed my roti come out good, because that's the first time I'll be making it. It's not really roti, it's like Buss Up Shot, but it's my first time actually making Buss Up Shot, so I hope it come out good. What else? I do want to wax today as well. It's been a long time I haven't done waxing, and that's not ladylike. That's not ladylike. I shouldn't say that's not ladylike, because you do whatever you want to do, but that's just not me. I don't like hair under my arm like that. Let myself go, and yeah, I am going to wax ASAP. So I'm gonna finish drink my tea, and then I'll head to the kitchen to do the dishes, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, and my body. My body says it. My mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says it. My mind, my body, my heart. My body says I know. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know this is, know this is, know what it is inside.
Nobody knows me like you do. Know. Alright guys, so I am now doing my chocha, and It's worse than my armpit. It's I don't even know what to say. I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words. Lost for words. But anyways, when I'm finished, I'll get back to you guys. Because I need to concentrate. I need to concentrate. Okay? See you guys soon. So I am finished with my waxing. It was so tedious. I don't know why I took so long to do that. I'm now gonna take my shower. I need to wrap my hair up because I don't want to get my hair wet. My shower cap is too small, so I have to use a plastic bag. So I'm back from taking a shower and now I'm gonna go and make myself a little dessert. So I found this cast iron skillet cookie biscuit and I'm gonna make those. I bought 2. I already washed them and pre-seasoned them, which is just olive oil, and rub it all over the pan. The recipe did call for 1.5 tablespoon softened butter, 2 teaspoon water, half teaspoon beaten egg, and 1/4 teaspoon vegetable oil. So I already preheat the oven to 350 and I'm just gonna wait for the butter to soften a little bit. Then I'm gonna start mixing the ingredients. So I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so now the cookies out of the oven, I am gonna take some Haagen-Dazs ice cream and put it on there. Jamar is in the shower, so when he gets out of the shower, he can have his, but I'm gonna try mine and let you guys know what I think. This is the first time I'm trying this skillet cookies, so yeah, let me put the ice cream on. It's good. It's really moist. It's sweet. And I did try to put less M&M. I'm gonna pick up some of the M&M because there are already chocolate chips in there, and I don't like stuff when it's too sweet. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I leave, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.